We are in the beautiful island of Puerto Rico. It's part of the US, it's US territory. It's in the heart of the Caribbean. 2003, I landed, I was doing a seminar, I believe in Miami, and I took a flight here. It was end of 2003, and I started walking up and down the streets, and I noticed something. I noticed that people get off the cruise ship, and they look at a little map where the traffic is. So I knew there was some tax benefits with these historic buildings, but I also know that buildings make income. And I figured the cruise ships have the piers over here, so this is the pier. People walk up on Tanca Street, they turn left on Fortaleza Street, and then they turn right again on Cristo, and they come to El Convento here. People want to come here because there is the Cathedral de San Juan, which is the second oldest cathedral, so they want to see the El Convento. This is where the national tenants are, and then they come back on Fortaleza where the jewelers are, and then on Tanca. This is the traffic area. It's all the foot traffic. Does this make the buildings more valuable, yes or no? Absolutely. You see, in malls, we have to change what we have on display every single weekend because we cater to a 3 to 5 mile radius. But here, because the cruise ships change every day, we can keep the same stuff on display. You're changing the customer. I realized the opportunity here is the customers change. There's new business coming every week. Isn't the key thing for tenants the marketing? That's their biggest expense. So if they don't have to spend money on marketing because the location provides foot traffic, I can ask for more on the rent. And I acquired a $50 million plus portfolio in commercial real estate.